Hello, welcome back to the channel, children. I am Payal, and here we are learning how to read three words, three letters with the help of phonic sound. So, do you know, children, in a vowels, how many letters is there? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These five letters, and now we are learning this fifth one. And this is the part 4. So before three parts, if you not learn, see, learn it, you will enjoy, and you only will think, wow, this is so easy to read. Okay, so now you sound it. Up. What the sound? A sound is a. This sound is a. So first, let us see. Ab, ab, cub, cub, rub, rub. And any parents, if watching this channel, so please subscribe. The everyday 7 o'clock we are taking the live class, doing the live revision. So no need to give children to mobile. If you're having the smart TV, in that smart TV, you can play these classes. Give them any rough notebook and pencil and let them learn. Okay. Up, cup, rub, tub, 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 ud, ud, bud, bud, mud, mud, ud, but mud. And if you are new in channel, so you can subscribe, and post community you can see the every week we are announcing the competition, and that competition also prize guideline, everything is given in post. You can read it and you can read, learn, and get the prizes also more. um um g um gum, some, up, 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 Can you try this? What it will be? Cup, cup. P sound is p, pup, pup. Pup, pup. Ugg, ugg. Bug, bug. Hug, jug, juice, jug. Mug, mug. Mug, rug, rug. Un, un. Bun, bun. F, un, fun. R sound is r, run, run. S sound is s, sun, sun. At, at. But, but. Cut, cut. Hut, hut. Nut, nut. Once again, we will repeat all the words. U sound, U sound. Up, cub, up, rub. T, up, tub. Ud, bud, bud. Mud, gum, some. Up, up, cup, pup. Ugg, ugg. Bug, hug. Jug, mug. Rug, rug. Un, bun. Fun, run. Sun, at. But, cut. Hut, nut. So I hope so. You understand well. Happy learning. Like, share, subscribe. If you felt 1% also this video is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. It's like blessings to grow this channel. And the thing is, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, all you follow. In that, you can learn the phonic sounds, then the three letters word reading. The next part, the part 5, we will learn the blendings, how to blend the sound. That blending phonics we will learn. Now, and check every week community post. In community post, we are announcing every week, Sunday, some competition. And the competition task is very, very easy. And who are the winner? That also the live class 7 o'clock. Every day 7 o'clock having the live classes. That is the revision, just a revision class, 30 minutes. So in that all announcement we are doing and who are the winners, that winner's name also we are saying in that live class. So yes, participate in all competition, do your best and learn more and more and shine like a rising sun. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.